my channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you how to add Elementor page builder plugin in WordPress website. First of all, let me tell you, Elementor page builder plugin is a very useful plugin if you don't know how to make website, if you are new to the website and you don't know the coding and you don't want to even waste your time in coding and all. So this is the best one for you if you want to make your website quick, fast. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, just go to plugins and add new. Click on add new. Now just click on, yeah, you have to now search it. Elementor. Elementor. Enter. Sorry, Elementor. Yeah, this one is Elementor page builder plugin. So let's say it's details. Click on more details first, just to check out the screenshot and all. This is all description about the plugin, how to install, FAQ, its change log, screenshots. You can check its screenshot, videos. See, this is the way to use Elementor. I will show you in my next video how to use Elementor. See how easy it is to use Elementor. Okay, so now click on install now button. It's installing now. Now click on activate button. So it's activated and now you can see Elementor tab over here. Just click on it and you can see so many options are available here, but I think there is no need to use this. You just have to use from different site. I will let you know in my another video. Okay, so just wait for my next video to learn how to use Elementor. So friends, if you have any query related to this or my any video, just let me know in the comment section or you can mail me in the description below. Thank you.